Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗶𝗲 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price had given an upward trend line breakout along with key support at $2,318 level on downside, tested the first key resistance base at $2,368 level, accompanied by witnessing clear positive signals through MACD, waiting to motivate the price to resume upward till $2,400 and $2,460 level in upcoming trading session efficiently. MCX gold price was moving in sideways consolidation range along with trendline breakout, resume its positive trading to breach 72,600 barrier, which support the continuation of the bullish trend for an upward target of 73,100 and 73,600 level in near term. On the downside, each support hold at 71,800 level and break below will reactivate the bearish trend scenario. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.